Hello guys. How have you been? Welcome back to One Spot Nexusinfo 80. This video is brought to you by Nedusoft. Today we will learn how to download our mobile app Nedusoft on your device. Open Play Store and search for Zoom. Install it. Now search for Nedusoft. Install the app. Here it is. Open the app now. And then enter your respective school code here. Now enter your username and password given to you from the school. Here opens the home page of Nedusoft, where you can see all the required details as an individual. Click on the icon, Online Class, to view your classes. You can see the live class, upcoming class and previous class. Let's try joining the class now. Click Join. Now the Zoom opens and you can join the class. As easy as this. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and if you are new, subscribe to our channel, and for new update click the bell icon.